Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek, my friend Dan over here.
I'm back.
Downtown Portland,
And
Maine.
Buddy Ian.
Maine. There's a lot of watering holes in Portland, Maine.
We're gonna
There's a lot of different Portlands out there.
we're gonna drink some tequila today for breast cancer awareness, obviously. So Alacran sent us 2 bottles. This one is pink, but it's actually a Blanco 100% de agave tequila. Because you'll never see me review 51% de agave tequila, or what we call shit water.
Mixto.
That's what we call it now.
That's right.
Mixto. We'll know which one's
And we have a Reposado. Yeah.
So we have a Reposado, we have a Blanco. These are from Alacran. I had another Alacran down there someplace. It's in a black bottle. Jet black bottle.
Have we tried it before?
Yeah.
You've
We
had
have?
it,
No, it's from
probably.
Yeah,
I did a
probably.
tasting once on top of a mountain with Doug at the place his parents have up on the mountain, and we just brought it up there and videoed it on like a GoPro or some shit.
Maybe. Do we still have it? Maybe gone.
I'll put the review up here. I'm
Okay,
just
we
waving
can.
my hand like this so I can find the clip.
Maybe.
So we should probably start by tasting the Blanco, because why wouldn't you? So the thing is,
The bottle's pink.
the bottle's pink and it's clear.
It's technology.
It
It's
is.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
blowing
How
my
is it?
mind.
How is it clear?
How is the spirit clear? But
There's
it's
a
pink
filter.
Right there.
There's a filter.
But you know
in
what
the
that
pour
means?
spout. What?
It's like that paint that you put on, and you know it's dry when it's not pink
So-
anymore.
There you go.
So the fact that they kept the product clear but put it in a pink bottle and did their little marketing thing for October for breast cancer awareness, they did the awareness thing, but they didn't taint the product by adding artificial color to it, which I'm not even sure is legal or not to do that. Like,
Yeah, it's probably a good thing.
yeah, so it's a good thing.
So give them props.
I was just not expecting it. I figured that they were going to tint it or something. I mean, if you put it close enough, it's
Yeah.
pink, right? But you're not...
Oh, now it's pink.
Put it close enough to this, does it turn yellow?
yeah, it does turn
Does
yellow.
it? Yeah, look at that.
That's weird
Weird.
how clear things work with...
Yeah.
So, what do you think of this?
Like
Next
a
to this, does it
magician.
go orange? What are you drinking orange now? You drinking orange?
Any
I think
other
it's
things?
good.
Yeah. It's
It's not bad. A little
it's got
salty.
it's got the like salty in it. It's blue now.
Slow down.
It's
It's
got
amazing
the.
color-changing liquor.
It's amazing the shit he comes up with.
Did you drink it, Ian?
Did you try that?
Yeah.
It tastes like
Blanco tequila.
yeah, but it's bright. It's got flavor to it,
Yes.
which
It's
Yeah, it's a
It's
little
good.
salty.
It's
Yeah.
it
it's
doesn't
good.
taste like
I was gonna say it needs salt.
You think so?
really. You're not getting sodium rush right now. You don't get the little salty
Maybe I eat
lime.
enough salt that like
Yeah. He just
that's
go
like
to
leaching the
McDonald's,
salt out of
so-
my body.
Maybe.
I
Never
did
thought of it
not.
that way. It's got a little bit of
Thought
back
about
end burn to it.
Mm.
Does it? I didn't even notice. I did not appreciate the aroma. Oh, it smells like citrus. And ocean. Which is pretty. It's got a little pineapple-y smell to it.
It's pretty
A
good.
little banana peel.
There's no vanilla in it.
There is no vanilla. What are
Really?
you doing? Are you really got? Did you trying
Don't
to?
ruin it, dude.
Not happy with no salt. Something needs to clog my arteries, and this just isn't doing it.
It's just like
You got sweat on it? I mean, what do you want to do? Did you add salt to it?
Yeah, a little bit. Not much.
Tastes kind of the same.
let me try this one.
Anyway,
Yeah, try that
move
one
on.
before he fucking destroys your palate.
Oh wait, this is a sponsored video, isn't it?
No, it's
this
not a
is-
sponsored video.
Okay.
I will tell you when it's a sponsored video. I will say this video.
Well,
is
you might have
sponsored
told
by-
me before, and I just don't remember.
No. This is free stuff. They send you free stuff. We show it onto the viewers, and then we drink it later.
Ocean.
That's not bad.
Right?
Really?
Hmm.
Are you lying?
You can.
No.
They're not paying for this.
Oh no, trust me. I
Okay.
tell you, I'll
Yeah,
tell you
last
what I
time
think.
there wasn't something you made. What did we drank something last week? Oh, it was the chairman's. Last month we did the chairman's
Yeah.
reserve, and you were like, "Nah."
Yeah, trust me. I'll tell you what I don't like the taste of
Tons
it.
of people were like, "This stuff is awesome. We love this stuff." I'm like, "Wow, it's amazing that there's that big of a group of people that liked it and mentioned it, and you were like totally turned off."
Mm.
I think I have residual salt in my mouth.
You don't get cotton candy, Dan?
Oh.
I figured you'd get cotton candy from that.
Not as much.
No.
No, not as much as like the
It's caramel.
Casamigos.
It's
Yeah.
a little burnier than this. I don't really know why, because this should be raw, unadulterated burniness. There's a little bit of cotton. I mean, it's Casamigos is. Let's all be honest. It's overpriced, kind of not great stuff. Like it's
there, but it's not.
That's common in a lot of tequilas. I find like a lot of
Oh,
reposados
yeah.
have a little bit of that cotton candy. I don't know what it is that.
Because they age in the oak barrels. They must.
Yeah, but whiskey's
Right?
aged in oak barrels, and I don't taste cotton candy. Like the only time I ever get cotton candy is there's rum. Like there's a couple coconut rums. I can't remember the name of that coconut rum, but we have one that tastes just like cotton candy.
My eyes aren't as good.
How do you not read what?
It's in
What do you want me
Spanish.
to read?
Oh, I thought it was just a small print.
Yeah, me too.
No, I mean,
like,
I'm not
"Oh,
that
shit."
fucking old.
It says Tequila Blanco, 100% agave.
No, that's not what that says.
Agave Maduro selected from the height of Jalisco.
That makes sense.
Does
I'll
it?
buy it. Why
I
not?
don't know.
I didn't know if it
From
said
the
what
higher
type
mountains?
of barrels it was aged in.
Reposado
Because I think that's what it is.
Tequila.
It's aged in like
Yeah.
an oak
Like if you do
barrel.
a
and-
sherry or an oak
Yeah.
or wine.
Yeah.
Like
I don't know what Roble is, but Roble Americano for 4 months. So it's aged
What is
it's
it?
aged in some American oak barrels
American
for
oak.
4 months.
So
Aren't you guys studying this crap?
With,
how do you guys not know how to read a label of alcohol yet?
here, why don't you tell me what it says?
Well, if it was in German, I can give you a clue. But
Well,
I'm
all
gonna
right
say,
then.
well, it's not in German. I would say that those are probably American oak barrels, which is not that abnormal. It's usually like Jack Daniels or one of
Right.
these big companies
Maduro means
ships,
aged, yeah.
ships them over there. Oh, aged. Well, that's not helpful because we knew that. Because
But
What's
it's
that?
ROBLE. I think that's barrels of
Yeah, barrels of
American
American oak.
for 4 months.
Yeah.
4 months is the maximum, I think, for a reposado, right? Something like that. I
It's
don't know why I'm saying
really
right, but-
oaky
This?
to me now. Yeah.
Really?
Because you
I'll
read
taste
it?
again.
Oh.
No. Just
Now that the salt has gone from his mouth.
yeah.
Hold
I
on.
can taste it.
I don't think it's that bad. I don't get a lot of cotton candy, so I don't get any of that Casamigos like cheap, expensive stuff.
That's why I said it out loud, Diane. I was hoping you were gonna pick
A
up on it.
little bit. I mean, it's definitely.
Roble Americana. So I'm guessing Roble ROBLE is oak. I don't know.
Either that or it's the brand.
Is that what it
No,
is?
it's not
Diana?
uppercase.
Yeah, it's a 10-second delay. You're gonna have to wait.
You gotta come back a little quicker, Diana.
So
Do it, Diane.
Diana,
Wait,
get this shit
let's
together.
all wait for Diana to respond.
All right, hold on.
if we all stand still, I can do a jump cut and you won't even notice.
Okay. Then stop talking.
I can't because it's very hard. I'm a talker. Is the live stream frozen? Nope.
ROBLE
Now it's gonna be another 10 seconds.
Americano.
Listen, I don't know.
Barrels of American oak.
It's
For 4 months.
It's Reposado.
Thank
It's
you.
fucking
It
aged.
means-
Okay, continue with the show. I
Now
thought
you,
so.
now you can go on.
Roble is see?
So, okay,
She
so
could've
we
said
now
that 10
know.
seconds ago
We
and
now
you
know
would've been
exactly what we
fine.
started with knowing that it was oak. They don't put. This is steel cask. So if it's not steel, it's probably
FML,
oak.
fuck my long
Yeah.
nails.
No, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Every time you drink like a Reposado, you get that. It's
But
just
it's
how
always
much of
slightly
it you
different.
get. Because I'm sure sometimes they put in like the
Yeah, if
fake
you put
oak
it,
bullshit.
if you put
flavor.
if you put in like a port wine cask, you're gonna get a completely different flavor, and
right.
that's how they're gonna give you their whatever their signature flavor is by picking those type of barrels and probably sticking with it. But then you could also finish it that way and do like 3 months in an oak barrel and then 1 month in port barrels and get a slight nuance and a complexity to it. Other people are like, fuck it, oh, port all the time! And then you just get a really robust, crazy flavor. Probably has that fucking
See,
cotton candy to it.
I think it's that bad because I think I'm getting the understanding that they all taste like that. So I'm like, okay, this is what it's going to taste like.
Yeah, but Casamigos is
Because I
like
tasted
really
when we were out.
bright.
Yeah, that one's real. We had one at a bar in Boston, and I tasted the same thing, and I was like,
So you're just gonna keep drinking it until you
yeah, until I get used to it.
Well, that one's not too bad. I just
No.
figured since you're kind of
Yeah, I
sensitive
thought you
to
would.
it, you wouldn't like it.
He's
Jen
oak,
just thinks I'm super sensitive.
he's oak sensitive.
I'm not.
He's lemon
I'm
sensitive.
not sensitive.
He's egg incapable.
Wait a minute. Listen.
He's.
You just showed some moves with an egg
I
that.
don't know. That should shame everybody.
Yeah. True.
They should share. But there you go.
He's stirring disinclined.
Oh yeah, you.
No, I'm getting it.
You're getting it?
I'm getting it.
All right, good.
Yeah.
We've been practicing on the side.
Oh God, there's a lot of shaming going on in this show. There's no empathy whatsoever.
Fuck empathy. That's not what we do here.
It's like a whole month worth that's been building up.
I know. God
Yeah, but it's
damn
normally
it.
against me, so I'm like, this is fucking
This
awesome.
is great, isn't it?
Right.
Good time.
Yeah, only for one show. Just remember that.
All right, we'll see.
Next one, jump cut.
We
Fuck
will
you.
see. We'll see. Normally, once it sticks to somebody, it's there the whole time. If you're looking for a new tequila, I don't know. I mean, new. If you haven't had an Alacran tequila, see if you can find it. It's a pretty good product. I like the fact that the Blanco has a lot of character.
Do you know how much this is?
I have not a clue. We Google it.
Great research.
It can't be that
Yeah.
expensive.
What's its name?
Because if it's in,
Alacran?
If this were a Friends episode,
we've just
it would
been
be
talking
called
about it
The
for
One Where
20
Dan
minutes.
Feels.
Did you just ask what the name
What?
was?
If this were a Friends episode, it would be called The One Where Dan Feels.
$40 for the silver.
40 for silver. That's pretty much on par with the
At-
higher end silver.
At Wine Chateau, wherever that is, but
It's
That's
probably
pretty
not much.
expensive though.
Probably France.
$40 for silver?
Maybe.
That's up there with like Cabo and.
They do wine. and
Casamigos is like
chateaus.
$52.99.
Oh yeah, but that should be on par with like
Cabo's
Patron
like
and stuff.
70, isn't it?
I'm
No,
thinking
for
of
like this size
Blanco.
bottle, it's like 35, 40.
Yeah,
Really?
anywhere between $32 to $40 for a Blanco nowadays. For a good Blanco, not just like
I just bought a Blanco and
you
God
bought
damn it.
Espolon again.
No, I like Espolon.
Yeah.
That I like.
But that's
no, I bought a different
$21.99.
one. Yeah, exactly.
That's like Asian Dan style pricing.
yeah, that's for a margarita, really? What are you
I-
gonna? What are you?
Hornitos.
Tornadoes.
It's better.
Nah, I don't think so.
Dude, it's better. We gotta do a blind
I don't
tasting. Me
think
and
so.
Dan versus
I don't think
Hornitos
so.
and Espolon.
I don't
Blind
think
tasting.
We can call it Dan
Next
versus
month,
Tequila.
blind tasting.
Huh?
Dan versus Tequila.
Yeah.
Dan versus the one where Dan
That's it.
shits on Hornitos.
Blind tasting, tequilas,
Lines of them, 40 of them.
You may be
Blanco,
surprised.
and
Yeah.
Reposado. Yep, and we'll do it.
Put in a Jose Cuervo in there just to see if,
Yeah.
If you can
if
get
he
it.
really has a taste bud.
We think we did that once, didn't we? We hide that in there sometimes.
Yeah.
Anyway, sidebar, more videos, probably about tastings and tequilas and stuff like that. Down below, bartender starter kit, because why would you want that? Save 15% using our October
Wow.
19th, and get yourself some Dick and Nora glasses too. These are Norland tasting glasses available at Amazon.com. Link below. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.
Tequila.
Yeah, we are.